my sweat and my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals.
No choke, by the way. Different exhaust, you can see it's a normal one. So yeah, this is as usual, no choke. Let's start it up. Yep, no choke as well. So I hope you enjoyed just a short video. I just wanted to show you how it sounded, and trust me, it sounds beast. I don't know how you can tell if it's on camera, but it's good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please just expect more videos from me soon. In about a week, I'll be doing about a video. I'll be shooting a lot of videos, so expect videos to come soon. I mean I'll upload them all in 1 week, but I'll upload them separately in different weeks, but I'll shoot a lot of videos, so there won't be any gaps between weeks, alright? So yeah, thanks a lot guys, and also 46 subscribers, almost 50, so yeah, thanks for the support so far, and yeah, just have a nice day, and pretty much that's it. Just yeah, I expect more videos to come soon. So yeah, right, see you guys, and yeah, goodbye.